Hello again, this is Veronica from Sing Away by Veronica, and today we are going to add what we learned the last two classes. We add a little workout with the diaphragm. So let's start rebuilding. First the breathing, then the projection. And let's see what we do with that projection as we open our mouth and everything is set for wonders. Let's start with a breathing. Have you noticed? Already I started to smile. Nothing works here. Everything is at the belly level. And the air, the wind, is caressing the palate. Push the belly up till every single little air, even the residual air in the lungs is out. It's not only healthy for the voice, it's also healthy for the body. Now let's start project sounds. Sure, vibrato is something to embellish the song and the voice, but first off, we need to have a strong diaphragm and a strong air column, so the vibrato is made like this, not just because of some random shaking. That second part, that second time, you've noticed that I came with the air and with the sound at mask level, and then I open the mouth. Now the change between the sounds is the job of the diaphragm to do it. We don't do it from here, we do it from the belly at this level, and we are mindful that the stronger the diaphragm is, and this is obtained by practice, the less effort we have in changing the intensity, in changing the sounds, higher, lower, or whatever we have, accordingly to the dynamic or the agogic of the score. Nothing moves here, everything is at the belly. Let me remind you, besides of that, we do have that hissing type of breathing that it helps us every day, if we do it for 2-3 minutes every day, to strengthen our diaphragm and not to be for us a difficult exercise when it's about projecting and playing with the change of the intensity of the length of the position of the sound. time. Notice the relaxation. Nothing moves here. We inhale, we press and contract the diaphragm, we press the belly. The air column goes. At this level, we put the sound, and opening the mouth, everything is ready to amaze. That's it for today. Next time we are going to try to do a type of a warm-up that is actually concentrating these three items of a good emission, of a good singing. But until then, don't forget to practice, practice, practice. And if you want to help other singers with their technique, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.